Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, my name is Chelsea and I love eating noodles for breakfast when I'm too lazy to actually cook. So last night I was on YouTube, as I always do before I fall asleep, and I saw Auntie Jackie's video. She had like a blue glossy lip. It was like a her Bobbi Brown video, and she just inspired me to create the look I'm gonna create today. It's not gonna be blue like hers. It may be glossy, maybe, but she did inspire me because she looked sickening. As she always does. There's not a time when Jackie isn't flawless. Like, let's get started. Starting off with primer, I'm using my e.l.f. Mineral Infused Primer. So I literally just got out of bed maybe 30 minutes ago. And I have to go to work later. So you know what? I'm going to be productive. My schoolwork is done. Homework is done. Studying is done. Let me be productive and make more YouTube videos, which is why I'm here. For color correcting, LA Girl Pro Concealer in Orange. For foundation today, I'm going to switch it up a bit, and I'm going to use my L'Oreal True Match in C6. We just going to dab her on here. Dab, 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 dab. Ooh, still dabs in 2018 though. In all the seriousness. Like, why was that even a thing? That was like the dumbest shit ever. Low key. Low key. Like that shoot dance as well. That's a little dumb. You're just hopping around. It's like a modified, well, it's like an updated version of the jerk where you just skip back. You like in 2009. That was like 2009, 2010. Everybody jerking back, and now shoot dance. Everybody just jerking, hopping in one place. Like the fuck. Oh. I'm talking about, but I still do it. Now that that's blended out, I'm taking my Pro Concealer and Fawn to highlight my face. That moment when you have to get up to wet your beauty blender because you forgot, it's the worst thing. Like, look, it's not dry, but it's not wet to do what I want to do. So let me hurry up and get up. I'm back. Beauty blender sponge. This ain't a beauty blender. It's actually a Kiss sponge I got from the beauty supply store. $1.99. This shit works like a charm. So take it, blend this out really fast. Time to set it and forget it. You already know. Maybelline Loose Fit Me powder in medium deep, and then air spun on the rest of my face. I know my videos may seem repetitive because I always fill my base and use the same steps, but honestly I feel the need to. Like when I watch other people's tutorials, I love seeing them go from start to finish. I love seeing primer, foundation, highlight, contour, all of that. I love seeing it. So I'm just trying to produce the type of quality I like to see in other people's videos. For a little bit of contour and bronzing, I'm doing my normal duo, Pro Infallible Matte Powder in Cocoa, She Mineral Bronzer. Now that my overall base is done, I'm going to go off camera and do my brows with my Colormates Brow Powder Duo, as well as setting them with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Clear Brow Gel. BRB. Okay, I'm back. I went on ahead and did my brows, and I put on my eye base, and I cut my contour at the beginning a little bit. I'm a little concerned about my brows. They're looking a little boxy, too boxy for my comfort, but you know, we just gonna let this be a bad eyebrow day. So to recreate Jackie's look, I'm going into my box of Crayons Palette. As my transition color, I'm going into Deep Plum, and I'm just doing light windshield motions back and forth. Now that I have that blended out to my liking, I'm going to take a smidge of black, just a smidge, into the crease in the outer V and really blend it out before I add my lid shade. Now that that's blended to my liking, I'm going to take my fingertips and I'm going into the violet shade in the palette, and I'm gonna just press it on the lid. Then taking a blending brush with no product on it again, and I'm blending this purple into the crease. Taking the same brush I used for the black earlier, I'm gonna take a little bit and bring it into the lid a bit. I'm taking the deep plum color and a pencil brush, and I'm smoking out the lower lash line. But before I do that, I'm going to add some pencil liner. Going in with my LA Colors pencil liner, I'm going to put it in my waterline and tight line. Going in with a small brush, I'm going to take the purple I used on the lid and putting it in my inner corner for a little highlight. Well, I'm going to put it in my inner corner. For an actual inner corner highlight, I'm going in with the color Silver from the box of Crayons Palette. Now for the gloss effect, I'm going in with my clear lip gloss by NYC. Now I'm going to add my lashes and do the other eye off camera, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I went on ahead and did my other eye off camera. I decided not to put on lashes because my eyes started watering up really badly. And I'm like, I don't work too hard for this look. Nah, fam. Bump it. So because I didn't put on lashes, I just used my So Lashy mascara to get them as long and luscious and wonderful looking as I possibly can. For highlighter today, I'm going in with my Golden Child Super Shock Cheek highlighter by Colourpop. But before I do that, I'm going to set my face with my E.l.f. setting spray. So, since this is a Jackie Aina recreation, why wouldn't I use Labronze? Okay, can you see it? Ooh, it's a little glare. But why wouldn't I use it? So I'm just gonna place a little bit on top of this, what we got going on now. I'm just gonna use what's in the top. Just place it on top. Okay, in Jackie's video, she did a nude lip, neutral pinky lip. I might do the same, but I'm so tempted to be dramatic. I think I'm gonna go with a nude pink as well. So what I ended up doing was I put on Freak Frack, realized it was too pink, so then I mixed it in with my Ruby Kisses liquid lipstick and Oh Boy. And I think I'm going to take a light colored and just put it in the middle. Echo Park. Then I'm going to put that in the middle and then put on a gloss, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back. I changed my shirt, did my puff ball, put on some earrings, same old, same old. How we feeling this look? I am surprised at how much I like it, and it actually looks pretty well and pretty decent. Normally, I don't like glossy eyes, but it looked really beautiful on Jackie, and I just wanted to pay homage to her and just try it out for myself, and I actually am really in love with this look. Jackie, if you ever see this, I mean, you might not, but if you ever do, just know that I really, really, really love you, and you are a big inspiration to me. You're an inspiration for this look. You're an inspiration to my life, and I admire you very, like, oh so much. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next time. Deuces.